Today we've got a BMW E60 525. It's the 6-cylinder diesel. We've been having a problem with it, rough idle, poor fuel consumption. We've had a bit of an investigation on it and found out it's been pressurising up in the crankcase. So we'll take a look and fit a new Pcv valve, which is the crankcase pressure valve, and filter. We've got the upgraded kit, which includes a vortex filter instead of the standard foam filter, because it is known for them to block up and pressurise, and eventually it will damage the engine. So this kit were, I think it were 18 or 20 pounds off Amazon, which includes all the seals, the vortex filter and a new valve. So we'll go around and start trying to fit it. I've already been into this to check it, so the cover's already unbolted. Right, the first job to get on with making sure his hands are well protected. With a brand new pair of Gator grip gloves. Great gloves, hard wearing, oil resistant, fuel resistant. These are XLs, so I've got pretty big hands and they fit perfect. First job, air filter housing off. The Pcv valve's actually built into the rocker cover, which is obviously here. The valve and filter are located here, which is why we've got to take all this housing off. I'm going to try and do the whole video in real time without speeding it up, if it doesn't take too long, just to show in reality how long the job actually takes. With just basic hand tools which most people have laying about in the house. I'm pretty sure I'm not doing this the way the manual says you should do it, but this is the way that I'm doing it. obviously you can see I'm using the correct tools to do the job. There we go. This is the inside. There was a foam filter over here. I had to remove it because I had to use the car still while we were waiting for the part to come, so I temporarily removed the filter so I could still use the vehicle. Because this is my own car. The old seals out. And refit the new seals. If you look, there's a little tab on them. That tab lines up to a little groove to make sure the seal's in exactly the right place. It's important you get that in the right place because otherwise obviously it won't seal properly. And you'll most probably end up covering your engine bay in oil. One more seal to fit inside there. As you can see, there's the housings are exactly the same, but obviously there's quite a difference. This is called a vortex system, so it completely eliminates the filter. Basically just sits into place, simple as that. It's just a case of doing the nuts. The bolts are part of the new filter. They don't come off the housing, so there's no panic about losing them really. That's all new part fitted. just a case of putting the car back together now. Refitting the house in. As you can see, it's probably a 15 or 20 minute job, easily achievable for someone who's never done out like this before. It's just really a case of being methodical and doing it step by step, really. I'm sure, as you can see by the state of the engine bay on this side, it's got a fairly substantial exhaust leak, and I have got a leak where it joins from the DPF to the catalytic converter, and I think it's coming from there, but it also could be coming from the exhaust manifold, so I'm not really looking forward to checking that. Go. Also, this is a perfect time to replace your cabin column filters if you require to. Mine have just been done a few weeks ago, so you're perfectly fine. Case of refitting the seal. Apart from fitting the engine cover, that's job done. And as you can see, Gator grip gloves, not a tear in them. I could use these again if I wanted, I'm sure. No back pressure now. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Hopefully someone will find this helpful. See you later.